Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Floppy Flopzee, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started on the right hand side with our right eye, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to leave a gap in the center now, and we're going to do the same thing for the left eye. We're going to connect these together now from the corner, drawing in a nice big arch line on both sides. And then in the center of both eyes, we're just going to draw in an oval. Now let's draw the nose. So on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then from here, we're going to bring this line down on both sides at a point. Now for the mouth, from the corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches out. And then from the nose, we're just going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. Now to close off the bottom of the mouth, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Now for the tongue in the center, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then to the right of that, we're going to just curve that line down. Now let's draw on the cheek. So beside the eye, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's move over on the left-hand side now. We're going to curve a small line that comes up and in for the top of the head. And then we're going to leave a gap for the ear, and we're going to curve this line round and down in the corner. Let's draw on the left ear now. So where we have our gap here, we're just going to curve this line over and across. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the cheek. Moving up now, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then out towards the left. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then up. Moving underneath the cheek now, we're going to curve this line around and then back in towards the chin. And then closing off the top of the ear, we're just going to curve this line around and then down in the center. Let's draw our right ear now. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line over. Moving down, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. And then moving across, we're going to curve this line over. Let's draw in our eyebrows. So we're going to draw in two curved lines on both sides, extending that over towards the ear. And now let's draw in the body before we close off the rest of the ear. So coming in towards the middle for the torso, we're going to arch this line over. Leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that point on that line, we're just going to extend this in towards the chin. Now in the center, we're going to draw in the letter Z. So we're going to draw a straight line across. From that point, bringing a diagonal line in. And then back across. Now to the left of this, we're going to replicate this pattern, bringing this all the way over and then connecting that at a point. And then now for the necklace, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides towards the chin. For the right arm now underneath, we're going to curve this line out, connecting that towards our ear. For the rest of the hand, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that point, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then for the rest, we're just going to curve this line over towards the right. Now let's draw on the bottom of the ear. So underneath this line here, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. And then to the right of this, we're going to arch this line over. Moving over on the left ear, we're going to curve two small lines that arch down as well. And then moving up on the left-hand side for our left arm, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now let's draw in our right leg. So first we're going to draw in the foot. So we're going to move in towards the middle and draw in a nice big oval. On the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing that down towards the bottom. And then for the toes, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top. Now from here for the torso, we're going to curve this line in for the leg. Moving towards the side, replicating that. For the tail, we're going to arch this line out and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line in. Let's draw on our left leg now. So coming up, we're going to curve this line across. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that. And then closing off the tail in the middle, we're just going to draw in a curved line, arching that down. Now let's draw on the foot. So coming down, we're going to arch this line up and then in towards our right foot. The bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line down. And then again for the toes, we're just going to curve this line up. And then for the ankle, we're just going to curve this line down. And that is it. That's how you draw Floppy Flopzee, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.